And welcome back, guys. Thank you for joining me yet again. Today, as you guys know, the Tunland is out of order, so now we're going to be fixing her again. I have not new injectors but refurbished injectors over here. Yeah, I got these done at George Diesel here in George, and we're gonna see if if they're any good. We still in the process of finding out exactly what is the problem, so hopefully this was the problem. And now that we got the injectors refurbished, let's see if it will start up and if that is the only thing that is wrong with the Tunland. Hopefully that's the case. I'm very happy with the work that George Diesel has done. You can see it's very professional. They did an awesome job on refurbishing the injectors. If you guys want any injector work done, or anything to do with your diesel vehicle, you can contact STEPHAN at George Diesel. I will put all the contacts and information in the description as usual, but hopefully I can get him to send me his logo, and I'll put it on the screen over here right now. So if you guys want anything done diesel related, diesel injectors related, diesel pump related, contact them. Thank you guys at George Diesel for such an awesome job. Now let's see if this was the only problem. Thank you for joining. Please watch till the end. Moment of truth, people. The battery's in, injectors are back. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a pump over here. Yeah, it's about time we see if she'll start and idle and if everything's okay. I really hope so. I really hope there's nothing else wrong with her. I am out of money. I don't have money anymore. But yeah, injectors are in. Let's give it a shot. Righto, first startup after injectors. Success, people, success. Refurb injectors in. George Diesel, thank you guys. seems to have been the problem. I'll give it a rev now and then we'll hear if it makes that knocking sound again. But so far it sounds good. Sounds really good. Let me just give her a quick rev. I am happy, guys. Alright, so let's get that test drive done before something else happens. Right, so we're gonna get this Tunland test driven, and we're gonna get rid of the rubbish at the same time. So just wait for that glow plugs to heat up. Righto, first start, and she's ready to go. It's a very, very windy day today. So far she doesn't seem to be acting weirdly compared to how she drove before we had the injectors done. I'm gonna take it for a short little drive and see if she still has the same power that she had before. You know, that's the main thing. We don't want any loss of power. But so far she starts perfectly. I must say I'm really impressed with these refurbished injectors. Oh, super windy today. Wow. First gear losing some traction. Whoa. Second gear losing some traction. It's just because this hill is very, very steep, and yeah, and it's made of gravel, so obviously diesel does make a lot of torque. But yeah, so far I don't feel any difference. She feels, if anything, she feels maybe a bit smoother than what she was before. There's no smoke coming out the exhaust anymore. Yeah, so far so good. Oh, just a bit of a bumpy road, but that's what it's made for, guys. That's why you buy a bakkie, to go off-road. Yep, it's all good. We should be on the tar road in about the next 200 meters. Because I've only been able to go from first to second gear on this gravel road. Woo! Yep, she still has it. She still got it in her. Yep, no loss of power. No loss of power. Still the same old girl. Same old girl. Yep, not afraid to let go. She's not afraid to let go. Okay, but now let's take on the tar road and see what happens when we go through the gears. 4th gear. Everything's smooth so far. Everything's smooth so far in 4th gear. Still accelerates. No hesitance. 5th gear. She's flying. Woo! Yeah, she's moving. 130 we got to over there. You know what, it wasn't gonna cost me much more to get brand new injectors. So I figured, you know what, I'll probably just get them anyway. So if we ever have this problem again, we'll just replace them. But I'm very happy with my old ones that have been renewed at George Diesel. So far, very happy. Okay, I gotta turn around somewhere here. Just beautiful, beautiful. In the mountains, guys. We're in the mountains. Oh man, I just want to keep driving. It's just non-stop beautiful scenery. Okay, but whether I like it or not, I gotta make that U-turn. Second gear ain't giving me nothing, so I'm just gonna keep it in 3rd. Oh yes, injectors are doing injectors are doing their job. Let's go, guys. In your face in a Tunland. Let's go. Do you know how bad it would be if this ended badly? Because there's nobody here to help me. It's just me. Right, and we're back to the tar road. Oh, I love it. I love it, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Polo in my way. The wind is so strong, keeps blowing the bakkie into the oncoming traffic lane. I just need to get some shots from the outside for you guys as well of the Tunland doing its thing. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. We're gonna go back to the farm now. Injectors are working perfectly, and yeah. Yeah, baby. I love it. Anything that goes sideways, I love it. That's why I love this bakkie. I'm glad I went for the rear wheel drive. Not the best to get you out of sticky situations, but definitely the best to put you in sticky situations. That's what it's all about. Thank you guys for joining. I'll catch you on the flip side.